Why does Lord Krishna wear peacock feathers on his head? When Mother Sita felt thirsty during the exile, Sri Ram looked around and saw only forests far and wide. Then he prayed to nature, "O forest deity, show me the way to wherever there is water nearby." Then a peacock came there and told Sri Ram that there is a reservoir a little ahead. "Come, I will show you the way, but the path is difficult. So on the way, I will keep dropping one feather at a time. With its help, you will reach the reservoir." It is believed that peacock feathers fall only at a particular time. If the peacock does this on its own will, then it dies. The same happened with the peacock who showed the way to God. Then Lord Sri Ram told the peacock that you sacrificed your life for me. I will definitely repay this debt of yours. When Lord Ram took the next incarnation as Lord Krishna, he repaid his debt by wearing a peacock feather on his head.